Welcome to our gardening series. Today, we're diving into the world of mulberries, those delicious, juicy fruits loved by many gardeners and fruit enthusiasts alike. Mulberry is a fast-growing deciduous tree that produces sweet, juicy berries. It's a great addition to any edible landscape, providing fruit, shade, and beauty. In this video, we'll show you how to grow mulberry trees from seed, starting them indoors for best results. To start mulberry from seed, you'll need to extract the seeds from ripe berries. Collect the berries and place them in a blender with some water. Blend on low speed for 30 seconds to break up the fruit and release the seeds. Pour the mixture through a fine mesh strainer, rinsing the seeds under running water. Spread the seeds out on a paper towel to dry for 2 to 3 days. Store the dried seeds in an airtight container in the refrigerator until ready to plant. Next, it is important to ensure that the pot you choose for planting your mulberry seeds has proper drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. These holes are essential for allowing water to flow through the soil and prevent root rot. Proper drainage will help the mulberry seedlings thrive and establish healthy roots for future growth. Select a high-quality, well-draining seed starting mix to provide the seedlings the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. Gently fill the pot, making sure to leave approximately 1 inch of space below the rim of the pot to accommodate the mulberry seeds. After filling the pot with seed starting mix, it is essential to ensure the soil is evenly distributed and properly compacted. This process involves gently patting down the soil surface, which serves to eliminate any potential air pockets that may hinder seed germination. By creating a firm and stable base, you provide optimal conditions for the mulberry seeds to establish themselves effectively. Now let's begin the process of planting our mulberry seeds with precision and care. It is crucial to handle the seeds gently and distribute them evenly across the surface of the pot. Using a delicate sprinkling technique, ensure that each seed is spread out properly to avoid overcrowding within the growing medium. By maintaining an even spacing between each seed, you are creating the ideal conditions for optimal growth, as this reduces competition for essential nutrients. After you have placed the seeds in the pot, gently cover them with soil to protect and nurture them as they begin to germinate. This step is crucial in providing a stable environment for the seeds to grow and establish strong, healthy root systems. Water is essential for the seeds to germinate, so be sure to lightly moisten the soil after planting. It is important to strike a balance with watering. You do not want the soil to become waterlogged, as this can lead to root rot and other issues. Instead, aim for evenly moist soil that is not too wet or too dry. In addition to water, providing the seeds with enough sunlight is crucial for their growth. Place the pots in a sunny location where they can receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. If you don't have access to direct sunlight, you can use artificial grow lights to supplement. Mulberry seeds germination usually occurs in 14 to 28 days, depending on various factors such as temperature, moisture levels, and soil quality. It is crucial to provide the optimal conditions for germination to ensure successful growth and development of the mulberry plant. And there you have it. By providing the right conditions and care, you can successfully grow healthy and vibrant mulberry plants that will provide you with a bountiful harvest of delicious fruits. Growing mulberries from seed indoors can be a rewarding experience, offering you the joy of watching these trees flourish. If you found this video educational and useful, like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for more gardening tips and tricks and happy mulberry seed starting.